Hello there, Ted Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies is here in my front porch, and here's a quick little point of view exercise for you. And I call it the what's your hot take? Not a phrase I coined, of course, but your hot take is your distilled understanding of the nature of a situation, your diagnosis, your sense of here's what's happening underneath the hood, here's what's really going on backstage in these situations. So if you were to come to me and you had some semblance of a niche, and let's say that was, you struggle with imposter syndrome. One of the questions I might ask you is I might say, okay, look, I'm setting a timer for 1 minute. What's your hot take? Why do people struggle with this? Why do people keep, you can read the books about it. You might even know you have it, but you can't let it go. What is this about? Go. And you only have a minute. What would you say? You only have a minute to say the most important things. If you want to up this, the way I might try to get it even more honest is say, and just imagine you've already had 2 beers, maybe 3. You're a little bit drunk now. So what do you say now? Just what is your most candid, honest, you don't have to share it with anyone else, but just what is it? What's your sense of what's really going on? What's really wrong? And if you make products, what's your take on why so many of these products are shitty? If they are, or not satisfying, or unethical, whatever your particular slant is. So that's the question. What's your hot take? And you might just try that. You might just try hitting a recorder and just talking. You might, in the next conversation with a friend, you might just say, hey, I just watched this marketing video. And he said this thing about the hot take. Can I just try this out on you? And I really do just set a timer for a minute and see what comes out in the minute. Of course, you probably want to keep talking, but good to see what's in that very first minute. Say the most important thing. And that becomes probably the white hot center of your point of view. That becomes the thing everything else is based around. So what's your hot take? Of course, this is premised on the thought you have some sense of a niche. But there you go. That's my thought for the day. Hopefully that's a helpful exercise. And I'll put some links to more point of view stuff below. But if you have any examples, if you want to share your hot take on something below in the comments, I'd be very curious to see it. And if you have any questions about this point of view marketing thing, I'd really love to see them. So again, put them in the comments below. And if you're watching this on YouTube, you can subscribe with the little red button, and click the little bell icon, which will notify you when I do another video. You can follow me at marketingforhippies.com. I got an email list there. You can follow me on Facebook, lots of places. So anyways, hopefully this is all useful for you in some way. Take care.